Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x8007370B. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Over here you can see pause update option. So hit pause. This process will take some time, and then you can click on resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start app readiness service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart, and then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now for this, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, you can make a right click and then click on restart. And once done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. So whichever update is giving you that error, you can just write down the name of the update. For example, this is just an example. It may be any other update. So KB506, in my case, KB506 2660. So whichever update is giving you error, you write down the name of that update over here and then click on search. And then over here, check what kind of system you have. For example, you can go to settings. In my case, you can go to system and then go to about. In my case, I have 64-bit operating system. So here you can see Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. So you can click on download, and then you will see that update. Whichever update you have searched, that update will be shown over here. In my case, it's KB506 2660. Click on it, and then once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then scroll down, go to advanced option, and then you will see recovery option. Click on recovery over here, and then over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and then you can check. Still not working. Reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy all these commands. So copy till here, and then type in Notepad in Windows search box, and then open Notepad, and then paste all the command over here, and then go to file, click on save as. You can set the location as desktop, and then name this file as wufix.bat, and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now you can go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file. Make a right click on wufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now if you receive a prompt on this, type in yes, Y for yes. So if you receive that prompt, type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key, and then it will run some scans. There are multiple scans over here. If you check the commands, you will see there are multiple scans. So it will run some scans, And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services, and then it will automatically close, or you can close this, and then you can restart your computer. After this, you have to restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this screen, and you have to click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next over here, and then select ISO file over here, and then click on next. Set the location as desktop, and then you can click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, click on finish over here, and then let it close automatically. And then you can go to desktop, and then make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then you will see setup file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next over here, and then accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.